Alright, so magandang gabi sa lahat ng delivers natin. Mag-isa tayo dito sa Binili Rani. Ba't nga ba? Because I'm finalizing my new business. Yeah, so I'm launching another business this April. This is my Go Your Business. Yan. So basically, it's a social media marketing business. So dapat may ka-partner ako, kaya lang nahirapan kami sa time. So I'm launching it with other partner. Alright. So it will be launched this April 27. Pero nauna na kayo nakaalam, delivers. So ang target natin is to market. It has three areas po. One is to coach the owner. Second, to handle their social media platform, and plus marketing strategy. So marketing strategy. So yun po. Right. So ang gusto ko pong i-convey ngayong gabi is just keep on launching new things. Okay? Just keep on doing new things sa buhay natin, new ideas. So, ako, siguro every other month, naglo-launch ako ng mga bagay-bagay. Like, noong March, nag-coveran tayo The Great Life. Alright? So, ngayong April, I'm launching my Go Your Business. So, something like that. If you feel like hindi ka nag-i-improve, hindi ka nag-grow, it's because you are not doing something new. Okay? So, gumawa ka na something new para mag-grow ka. So, simulan mo sa mga simpleng bagay. Like, for example, mag-start ka na maliit na saving scheme, like my 500 peso challenge. So, mag-save ka ng 500 a month for 3 months. Pag natuloy-tuloy mo yun, that's an achievement. Diba? Then, mag-launch ka ng investment na ordinary, like Sun Life 3-in-1, Kaiser, and MP2. Mga ganon. Then, the following, after 3 months, mag-launch ka ng online business mo. Di ba? Then, after 3 months, you use one skill, i-launch mo isang skill, then turn it to business or income. Di ba? So, malaga, meron tayong ginagawa na bago. Di ba? Hindi pwede kasing stagnant tayo, na-stuck tayo. Nagiging komportable tayo. Kaya if you feel like you're very comfortable with what is happening in your life, convenient sa pagising sa umaga, matutulog ng gabi, kung ano oras gusto matulog, kumain, lumabas, mag-shopping. Pag ganyan ang buhay mo, masyado siyang komportable at nakakatakot. Nakakatakot siya kasi baka meron kang mga dapat na ma-accomplish, di mo na-accomplish. Yung hindi ka nag-i-improve as a person. Okay? Sabi ko nga, it's not all about the money na magigain mo sa mga ilolons ng bagong bagay. But it's about what are you becoming during the process. Okay? So during the process, naayos mo yung sarili mo, mas nag-improve ka, pag nag-launch ka na yung bagay, that's good, di ba? Like ngayon, ako, alam nyo, mag-isa ako ngayon sa Binili Rani. Wala akong assistant, wala akong kasama. Kasi binubuo ko muna bago ko ipatawag yung team. So, I'm not feeling well today. Nahiga ako kanina, medyo nagpalpitate tayo ng konti. Nung ayos na tayo, overwork na naman ako. Pero, hindi ko sige matigil eh. Kailangan ko siyang tapusin. Because I'm launching it sa April 27. Okay? So anyway, delivers, kung ano man gusto mong gawin, just do it. Sabi ko nga, if you have one idea, one single idea, you can do it. Alright? So, if you need my help, I can help you. So, tawagin mo ako 0939-525-4311. Or if you need to market your business, ikaw na una kong customer sa Go Your Business. Alright, so thank you very much. With discounted, discounted. Pag unang first 5. First 5 na kliyente natin may discount. Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go.